Hello, everyone. Welcome to this story. Today, we face the most serious question of all. What are you doing with your time? Because the way you use your time is the way you are writing your life. This is not just another motivational video. This is not something you watch for a few minutes, feel inspired, and then forget. No, this story is different. It is a mirror. It is a warning. It is a voice that will stay inside you, reminding you that every second of your life is precious. Once you hear this, you will never see time in the same way again. Time is not money. Time is not power. Time is not comfort. Time is more than all of these things. Time is life itself. If you waste your time, you are wasting your life. If you respect your time, you are respecting your life. The clock is moving right now. Tick, tick, tick. These are not just sounds. These are pieces of your life falling away. Every tick is a reminder. Your story is moving forward. The question is, are you moving forward with it? Many people think they have enough time. They believe, I will begin tomorrow. I will work harder next year. I will change my life later. But the truth is, no one knows how much time they have. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. Next year may never come. Later may never arrive. Life is not waiting for you. The world is not waiting for you. Opportunities do not wait for you. Every time you delay, every time you say, not now, time silently takes a part of your life and never gives it back. Think about a candle. When you light a candle, it begins to burn. The flame gives light, but at the same time, the wax melts. The candle is slowly disappearing. That candle is your life. Every day, a little of it melts away. The question is, are you using its light to guide you, or are you letting it melt for nothing? Imagine standing in front of an hourglass. At the top is your future. At the bottom is your past. And in the middle, the sand is falling. Each grain is 1 second of your life. Look closely. It never stops. You cannot freeze it. You cannot flip it back. You cannot collect the grains that have fallen. This is your life slipping away. So, how are you using it? Are you turning those grains of time into something beautiful, meaningful, and lasting? Or are you letting them vanish, wasted forever? The sad truth is this. Most people waste their time not because they want to, but because they do not realize they are wasting it. They confuse busyness with progress. They think doing many little things is the same as moving toward their dreams. But it is not. A man can run all day in a circle and still be in the same place. A woman can spend hours cleaning her desk, organizing her phone, answering unimportant messages, and yet achieve nothing important. Movement without direction is not progress. It is just wasted energy. Let me give you an image. Picture a ship on the ocean. The ship is strong. The engine is powerful. The sails are wide. But if the captain has no map, no direction, the ship will simply drift. The waves will push it anywhere. The wind will blow it without purpose. That ship is many people's lives. They have energy. They have talent. They have potential. But without direction, they drift. And while they drift, time is wasted. Now ask yourself, do you know where your ship is going? Do you have a destination, a purpose, a vision? Or are you letting life push you wherever it wants? Because if you are drifting, time is disappearing. And one day, you will reach the end of your journey only to realize you arrived nowhere. Let us think about this in numbers. 1 hour wasted each day is 365 hours a year. That is over 15 full days. Imagine what you could create in 15 days of focus. A book written, a skill learned, a business started, a life changed. But instead, Many people lose those 15 days in meaningless scrolling, endless complaining, or empty entertainment. Now think bigger. 10 years of wasting 1 hour a day equals 150 days gone. Nearly half a year of your life, wasted for nothing. Do you see the danger now? Time is a thief, but only if you let it steal from you. Some people say, but I am resting. I am enjoying life. Rest is important. Enjoyment is important. But there is a difference between rest and waste. Rest gives you energy. Waste drains your energy. Rest is a choice. Waste is an escape. Ask yourself honestly, are you resting or are you hiding from the life you should be living? Let us use another picture. Life is like a garden. Every day you are planting seeds with your actions. Some seeds grow into flowers. Some grow into fruit. Some grow into nothing because you never cared for them. If you waste your time, your garden will be empty. If you use your time, your garden will be rich, full of color and full of life. The garden you see in the future depends on the seeds you plant today. If you plant laziness, you will grow regret. If you plant excuses, you will grow nothing. If you plant discipline, focus, and courage, you will grow a future you are proud of. But how do you stop wasting time? The first step is awareness. You must see clearly how much time you are losing every day. Write it down. Count the hours you spend on things that bring no value. Be honest with yourself. You will be shocked at how much of your life is being thrown away. The second step is purpose. Without purpose, you will always waste time because you will not know where to place your energy. Purpose is your compass. Purpose gives meaning to each day. Find it, and wasting time will no longer feel comfortable because you will see how much you lose by ignoring it. The third step is action. Small, consistent action. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Do not wait for motivation. Do not wait for tomorrow. Begin today. Use the little time you have, and over days, weeks, and years, those actions will grow into something powerful. There is an old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The same is true for your life. If you wasted yesterday, fine. If you wasted last year, fine. But today is still in your hands. Today is your chance. Today is your power. Do not waste it. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. What kind of person will you be? Will you be proud, saying, I used my time well, I built my dreams, I lived with meaning? Or will you be full of regret, whispering, I had the chance, but I let it slip away? The future version of you is being created right now by the way you use your time today. Your habits are building your future. Your choices are shaping your tomorrow. Do not betray your future self by wasting the present. Friends, time is not kind. It is not patient. It is not forgiving. But if you respect it, if you use it with care, it will reward you with growth, wisdom, success, and joy. Respect your time, and you respect your life. Waste your time, and you waste everything. So the message is clear. Stop wasting your time. Do not wait. Do not delay. Do not give your life to distractions, excuses, or fear. Your story is being written right now, with every second that passes. Write it well. Live it fully. Make your time count.